Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this new setting. Today I thought of taking you around the city of Querétaro, which has been my home for a year and a half now. So follow me around today as I take you to my favorite places and spots in this city. Okay, so let's start with this place right here. It is called Parque Querétaro 2000, which means Querétaro Park 2000. It has these lush green garden spaces with multiple sports facilities along with a couple of gyms. There's also a little lake in the middle, which I will show you in a while. And the good thing about this place is that it is very close to where I stay. So me and my husband try to come here at least twice or thrice a week, if not more. And we really enjoy walking here around and just like the peace and calm this place offers us. So Querétaro is the capital city of the state of Querétaro and it is around 200 kilometers from Mexico City. It has a mix of modern infrastructure and some glimpses of colonial architecture as well. And now let's go see the most famous and iconic place in this city. This monumental structure, called Los Arcos de Querétaro, is a symbol of the city of Querétaro and one of the largest in Mexico. With 74 arches, this massive structure is 1280 meters long. This is an aqueduct which was built in the 18th century to improve the water supply of the city. Situated in the heart of the city, it is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a must visit for anyone who is planning to visit Querétaro. It's really nice to come here and see the view of the city along with the Los Arcos in the background. And now let's go see some more places. Centro Histórico, the downtown of the city, is the life of this city. On days when I'm feeling low, a small visit to this place cheers me up. This place has a magical vibe to it with beautiful colonial buildings and churches. By this time, we were a little hungry, so we stopped by this restaurant called San Miguelito, which is known for its authentic Mexican food. We ordered for some micheladas to begin with. Michelada is a beer cocktail which I was introduced to after coming to Mexico. It has a salty, tangy flavor to it, and as you can see, I've become quite a fan of it. If you order for guacamole at this restaurant, the chef actually comes up to your table and prepares it in front of you from scratch. It's quite fun to watch. Querétaro downtown is also famous for these little square spaces in between where people can gather, and these spaces are usually surrounded by beautifully manicured trees. Next, we came to this place called La Fabrica de Chocolate for some dessert. This place is famous for its churros and delicious, delicious chocolate ice cream. This ice cream is the best that I've tasted in the city. Mexico recently celebrated its Independence Day on 16th of September, and I thought it would be nice to show you all how the city lit up for this occasion. These tricolor lights were all over the place, brightening up the streets, and I was reminded of how back in India everything lights up for the festival of Diwali. It was a very similar feeling and it felt a lot like home. So these were a few of my favorite places in this city. This city has so much more to see and offer. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see a part 2 of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Hit the thumbs up if you did. Share this video with your friends and family to show them a glimpse of the Mexican life. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these. It really encourages me. And I will see you soon. Bye.